Welcome to Graham Auto Sales, where we sell to sell again. Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include anti-lock brakes, power steering, stability control, and traction control.